In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Duolingo. This will make the app easier on your eyes, especially at night, and can also help reduce battery use a little on some screens. Open Duolingo. When the app loads, you should see the familiar home screen with your current course at the top and your lessons or path displayed in the middle. If Duolingo asks you to log in, go ahead and do that so you land back on the main learning screen. Once you see your language course and the usual icons along the bottom, you are in the right place to continue. Now tap More, the icon in the bottom row that usually looks like 3 dots. When you tap it, a new screen or menu will slide up or open, showing several options such as your profile, streak information, and different app tools depending on your account. This area is Duolingo's extra menu, so if you see more detailed options instead of lessons, you have tapped the correct icon. From here, tap the settings icon that looks like a little gear. On most devices, it sits near the top of this menu, so look toward the upper part of the screen. When you tap it, the app opens a settings page with different sections like account, sounds, notifications, and appearance. Every change you make here affects how Duolingo behaves on your device, so it is worth looking around later once you are comfortable. Next up, tap dark mode in the settings list. It might appear under a display or appearance section, and it should stand out with a simple label. When you open it, you will usually see a few options such as off, on, or sometimes follow device. If you do not see dark mode at all, it may mean your version of Duolingo or your device does not support this feature yet. Now select on. This tells Duolingo to always use the darker color theme regardless of your phone system setting. As soon as you tap on, most screens in the app will switch to dark backgrounds with lighter text. A quick way to confirm is to glance at the top bar and lesson tiles, which should now use deeper colors instead of bright white. After that, save the changes if you are prompted. Some versions of the app apply the new theme instantly with no extra button, while others may show a save or apply option at the bottom of the screen. If you see that, tap it once, and the app will keep your dark theme even after you close and reopen Duolingo. You can return to the same dark mode setting anytime if you want to switch back. You have just turned on dark mode in Duolingo, so your lessons use a darker, more comfortable theme. If this walkthrough helped your eyes enjoy practice a bit more, please give the video a thumbs up, and maybe subscribe for more quick Duolingo tips.